Alright, so at the last stoplight before the house, but I have to cross the bridge here up here on the Cimarron River. Yeah, should probably stay on the road here. Yeah, it's gonna be a little sketchy because we got a little curve coming up. Yeah, pretty much can't see more than probably 30 feet, if even that. Like if there's some lights on, like there's a light right there, that's the old, can't remember what was it. Anyway, it was the Karen Silkwood incident. Good times. We got a car coming up here. It's like my, whoa. Blower motor's making some noise. There we go. Alright, so we're passing the bridge right now. I'm just going to turn that off, it's getting annoying. Alright. So, pretty much made it. Got like a quarter of a mile before I get to the house. It's like absolutely ridiculous. Wind's probably blowing like 40. Pretty much been driving like 35, 40 the whole way. Driving in the middle of the road. You can kind of see the yellow line, but just barely. But there's all these like little deposits of snow. They're kind of like little bumps, so it's like running over rocks or whatever. It's pretty bumpy. This guy ahead of me is slowing up. I guess he's turning. Well, I am too, so if I can see my driveway. Here's a Shell station to the left. See stopping right there. I'm gonna go on my second drive entrance. There's actually 4 of them, but alright. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Yikes. Woo! Almost hit the markers there. And of course beyond here is straight downhill into the creek, and which leads to the lake. Wow, the snow's getting pretty deep right here. Alrighty, made it safe and sound.